Around this time of year, every year at AirLogic, we try to thank some of our best vendors for the products and services they give us. Just to shout out and thank people who are doing a great job out there. And this year, we wanted to thank Keyence. They sell a lot of products, but specifically their IV3 sensor. This is the first time we've used their IV3 sensor, and it's just been fabulous. I'm here on the production line here, and I just want to share a little story about why we like this IV3 sensor so much. So at this assembly station, we put this piece of sheet metal down here, and it has a customer's logo in it. And we assemble a lot of tubing, hoses, and manifolds to it, and then it goes on the production line. We found that our supplier for the sheet metal got a small percentage of the customer's logos backwards. And so, of course, we can't let that make it out into the field. And our customer wanted a solution to make sure that absolutely zero of these backwards logos got out into the field. So, of course, we wanted to put a vision system in place so we could look at every single logo to make sure it was right for our customer. Knowing that we needed a vision system, we were a little intimidated because we've done vision systems before, and in the past, we're talking a couple years back, this was you needed the camera, the lighting system, the PAC, the PLC. There's a fairly substantial engineering exercise to get a vision system implemented correctly and in a timely manner. I'd say this IV3 sensor changed everything. So we got the sensor here, we got it installed, and I would say just getting the sensor integrated with the light, we're talking days. Before maybe that was weeks, for standard vision system. This is a couple days. I mean, it was shocking how fast this thing is to implement. So I just want to show you guys quickly how it works. This is a good one. So you can see if I put a good one in here, takes a picture, we get the green light, the screwdriver works. So then the operator can do their assembly here. If I put a bad one in here, get the red light, took the picture, got the red light. Screwdriver doesn't even work anymore. So the Keyence sensor it gives you the visual indicator that you got a bad part in here, and it also isn't going to let the operator even do the assembly. So again, the programming to make this happen was so simple. I mean, you tell it what parts are good, you tell it what parts are bad, and it programs itself. So anyways, great sensor. Thank you, Keyence, did a great job here, and I just want to thank you guys for doing a great job, so awesome.